nickels. Last week we learned about pennies. This week we're going to learn about nickels. This is what the nickel looks like on the front and on the back. Last week we went over this slide too. These are all the coins that we use in the U.S. to buy things. We learned about these. What these are called the penny, right? And a penny is 1 cent. Today we're learning about this coin, right? This coin is called the nickel, and it's 5 cents. Next week we're going to learn about this one. It's called the dime, and they are 10 cents. And then last is the quarter, and the quarter is 25 cents. Nickels, okay? So again, this is what the nickel looks like on the front. It's not as small as the penny. It's a little bit bigger than the penny, right? It's kind of medium sized. If we go back to this one, right? We have a big coin and then a small silver coin, and then the nickel is medium. It's the medium silver coin, okay? So it is made out of copper and nickel. It's called a nickel, right? It's made out of a metal called nickel and copper. Pennies are made out of copper. Remember last week when I taught you that? But nickels are made out of copper and nickel, okay? They are worth 5 cents. How much are they worth? 5 cents, okay? And this is how you write 5 cents. And it's the C with the little line, remember? Okay? And Thomas Jefferson is on the front. So this president right here, his name is Thomas Jefferson, and he's on the front of the nickel. All right, so a nickel is worth 5 cents. So when I have 1 nickel, it equals 5 cents. When we learned about the penny was worth 1 cent. So that meant every time I see a penny, it just equals 1. The nickel's a little bit harder because every time we see a nickel, it's not equal to 1, it's equal to 5, okay? So if I have 2 nickels, this does not equal 2. It's actually equal to 5 plus 5. What is 5 plus 5 equal to? 10, okay? So when I have 2 of these nickels, they're not equal to 2. They're actually equal to 10 cents. What about if I have 3 nickels, right? They're not equal to 1, 2, 3. Each nickel is 5 cents. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 3 5s. 5 plus 5 plus 5. It's going to be a little bit harder math for us, but we can do it, okay? So this one says 5 plus 5 plus 5. That's 3 numbers. So if I take this 5 plus this 5, what's 5 plus 5 equal to? 10, right? So these 2 5s equal 10 plus this 5. So 10 plus 5 more. So put the number 10 in your brain, say 10, and then we're going to add 5 more. So we're going to count to 5 on our fingers after 10. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay? So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15 cents. So when I have 3 nickels, it's equal to 15 cents. Okay? Oh boy, here we go, a little bit harder. Now I have 4 nickels. Each nickel is how many cents? 5. So this is 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to how many cents? Okay? Just like we did the last time, we're going to take this 5 and this 5, and that equals 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. This 5 plus this 5 equals how much? 10, right? 5 plus 5 makes 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10. So now I have 2 tens plus. So I'm going to add them together. What's 10 plus 10? 20 cents, right? 10 plus 10 makes 20. So when I have 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels, that equals 20 cents. All right, let's do 5 nickels. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels. Each nickel is worth how many cents? 5. So it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, okay? So that's 5 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals how many cents? Ready? So just like we did the last few times, we're going to take this 5 plus this 5. What's 5 plus 5 equal? 10. And then we're going to take this 5 plus this 5. That equals how much? 10. Okay? And then on the last slide, we did 10 plus 10. What does 10 plus 10 equal? 20. Good. So that's 20, but we still have one more 5 to add. So we're going to do plus 5, okay? Put the number 20 in your head. Say 20. And we're going to count 5 more. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that equals 25 cents. When I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels, that equals 25 cents. Whew, that's a lot of math. Are you ready? All right, how many cents is just 1 nickel all by itself? Okay, 5, right? I have a little domino or a dice here to help us. This is how many? 5, right? Whenever you see this array of dots, that means 5. So 1 nickel is equal to 5. So I can use dots to help me add, okay? So 5 equals 5 cents. Easy peasy. Just 1 a nickel equals 5 cents. When I have 2 nickels, I'm going to use my dice to help me again. So that's 5 and 5, right? I can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 makes 10, okay? All right, now let's try a little bit harder than 1, 2, 3, 4 nickels, okay? So whenever you're practicing at home to add nickels, you can draw your own little dots under the nickels. I'm just using the picture of the dice because it's a little bit easier because I know this is already 5. So you can draw your own dots at home under your nickel, okay? So there's 5, there's 5, there's 5, and there's 5. Now all we need to do is count them all together to figure out how much this costs, right? How many cents these nickels are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 4 nickels equals how many cents? 20 cents. Good. All right, now I have 3 nickels. Each nickel is how many cents? 5. So at home, you're going to draw 5 little dots under each nickel. I have a picture of the dice to help me. 5, 5, 5. Now all I do is count them together to figure out how many cents I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many cents is 3 nickels? 15 cents. Good. All right, here's the harder one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels. How many cents does that equal? Each nickel is how many cents? 5. So that's 5, and that's 5, and that's 5, and that's 5, and that's equal to 5, okay? Let's count all the dots to see how many cents we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. How many cents is 5 nickels? 25 cents.